Hi there. Do you think you know what the best annuities are for retirement income? Well, by the end of this video, I'll make sure you know precisely what they are before you go signing on that dotted line. I'm Michael Malone, and for the best annuity advice and information, do be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and then also click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload other new videos. Now, the first annuity that I would share with you as far as those that are the best for retirement and income planning is what's called an income annuity. Again, we're planning for retirement income, so that kind of makes sense, an income annuity. Now, what you want to know about an income annuity is an income annuity very often comes what is referred to as guaranteed retirement income. So what you want to know about that, what is important is this income annuity isn't just a typical investment. It is an investment through a contract with an insurance company. So with that contract with the insurance company is saying they guarantee that you will have this retirement income, guaranteed retirement income, for the rest of your life through all of your retirement. So if you turn on that income at age 59 and a half, or you turn on that income at age 65, whenever it is your overall plan calls for that, that guaranteed retirement income says once you turn that on in an income annuity, you're going to have that guaranteed retirement income until you pass away through the rest of your retirement. Now, to get a little bit more specific, when you're looking at an income annuity, another type of annuity that is best for retirement planning is what's referred to as an immediate annuity, an immediate income annuity. So an immediate income annuity still is that income annuity, still has that guaranteed retirement income typically, but the immediate part says that, hey, I want to use this annuity to turn on my income today, immediately. And typically it might be this month or whatever the case may be, but you want it now. So an immediate income annuity is best for, boy, I'm just about to step into retirement, or maybe I'm already in retirement, and I want to have that guaranteed retirement income start as quickly as it can. So again, within that income annuity, one of the best annuities for retirement, if it's applicable to your timing, might be an immediate income annuity. Now, the other aspect to that is, maybe you're not looking at turning on income immediately. You're not stepping into retirement right now, or you're not already in retirement. Maybe you're younger. Maybe you're 35, 40, 45, and you've got years until you want to turn on that guaranteed retirement income. So when we look at, again, the best annuities within that income annuity, the best annuity for you, if that's your scenario, if that's your puzzle, might be what's called a deferred income annuity. So obviously we talked about an immediate income annuity, meaning that you're turning on the guaranteed income now. The deferred means we're not turning it on now. We're going to defer that guaranteed income until I need it at retirement in the future. So again, a deferred income annuity just means that we're going to have maybe that same benefit of guaranteed retirement income through my retirement, but I just don't need it yet. I want to defer that until maybe 10, 15, 20 years down the road. And that would be another annuity that is best for the retirement income planning that you're doing. And, by the way, I would mention, if you'd like to have an annuity design, specifically around, especially say this guaranteed retirement income that we're talking about, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And once you're done watching this video, I would recommend checking out my other video called How to Use Annuities in Retirement Planning. That'll get a little bit more in depth for you on exactly how to use these types of annuities in the retirement planning that you're doing. And I'll include a link to that video for you in the description down below. Now, in regards to the best annuities for retirement income planning, and we're talking about these income annuities, another factor that you might want to have in there is what's called a fixed annuity, a fixed income annuity. So a fixed income annuity is exactly what the words say again. The fixed income part is going to be, we're going to have a fixed amount of income every payment period that we receive our income. So whether you're receiving that income monthly, whether you're receiving that income quarterly or annually, whenever you're getting that payment in a fixed income annuity, it's going to be for a fixed amount. This can be really nice with the planning you're doing, because you can say, hey, as I'm building out the income sources that I have in my retirement plan, I know I'm going to have that fixed amount every payment period that I can absolutely count on in the overall budgeting that I'm doing. And the other kind of aspect to that, the other type of income annuity that is best for retirement planning, instead of having a fixed income annuity, would be what's called a variable income annuity. So a variable income annuity, really typically in a variable income annuity, that variable part's going to be tied to some type of an index, some type of an investment portfolio. Maybe even say something like the S&P 500 stock market. So what that means is that however that index does, your income payment, again, monthly, quarterly, annually, is going to vary as according to how that index is doing. So if using that type of an income annuity, a variable income annuity, you're just saying that, I realize there's a possibility and a potential for maybe to need to have a little bit more income this payment period than I might in a fixed annuity. But I also, because it's variable and because it's tied to some type of an index, I'm also willing to have a little bit of that risk of a smaller income payment because that index has come down. So again, that's a variable income annuity that can play very nicely if you're saying, well, I'm okay with having that payment vary a little bit with maybe the potential of higher income, but also at times maybe having some lower income as well. And again, as I mentioned before, if you would like to have an annuity designed specifically, really and uniquely for you, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel here, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I hope something good happens to you out there today.